Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So I have been experiencing this, dark entities attack since my childhood. So during my childhood, when I was, being attacked by these entities, so I used to actually recite, prayer while sleeping. So the day I was reciting the prayer, these, entities were not attacking. So I believed and I thought that, they were under my control. So I thought that I had this option that I can save myself from these entities attack by reciting prayer. And as since my childhood I can always see and experience and talk entities, but these were entities who never showed up. They have always been hiding their face on purpose. And also, as these attacks by these entities were regular in my life since my childhood, but the day I used to forget to recite that prayer, protection prayer, they were actually able to attack. So after my spiritual awakening, especially when I shifted to Twin Flames place where I became his immediate neighbor, these entities started again attacking heavily. And when I got to know about this Twin Flame connection, then only they showed up their face, and they are so horrible, so scary. I have never been scared of entities or spirits, but their faces are so scary. So even I had a bit of scariness within me when it comes about these entities. So when I saw their faces, and I literally got scared a bit of it, and then what I did, I started increasing my spiritual practices. But I realized I was not able to stop them, and that was so shocking and surprising for me, because since my childhood I remember whenever I used to recite this protection prayer, it was actually being stopped. But this time I was not able to stop them. And then I started thinking, how is this even possible? Why is this, why any of my spiritual practices are not able to protect me and save me from these entities' attack? So these dark entities are from other realm, and there is again a big sort of group wherein they have several kind of entities, and they have been attacking me one after another, and they are again so powerful. So every time you put any sort of protection which can save you from them, they will send another level of dark entity who has more power, who cannot your protection will not work on them. So this was something I experienced after my spiritual awakening, wherein I was not able to protect myself from these entities attack. So if you have listened all of my previous videos, I have shared one conversation with Divine during my childhood. Once Divine told me or said to me that you will need our support in your life. So that time I replied to Divine rudely that I will see why do I need your support, wherein you have given me so many spiritual powers, spiritual wisdom, and I am capable of taking care of myself, and I do take care of myself. So I do not understand why do I need your help, your support. So since my childhood, I know that my life has always been under my control. Nothing was out of my control. But then this was the conversation which I remember now. That this conversation with Divine, when Divine asked me that I will need their help. So this was about particular, this incident, these entities attack. So this was only one thing. Okay, so with the help of all sort of spiritual practices, I can definitely, remove black magic, and I can stop such entities which are being sent to you through a human by using black magic. But these entities which I am talking about, they are from other realm, and we cannot control them. We cannot protect ourselves from them. So that is why you will have to ask for Divine to protect yourself. Allow Divine to help you and protect you from these entities. So when you allow yourself Divine to help you and protect you, then only there will be divine forces sent in your life who will protect you from these entities. So you cannot fight with these entities. You cannot protect yourself from these entities. But those divine forces will protect you, once Divine has allowed you, or you have allowed Divine to protect. So I apologize that time when I realized, this was the help which Divine was talking, about during my childhood, that I will need their support. And I had this acceptance, I cannot stop these entities. So I apologized to Divine, and I asked and allowed Divine to help me and protect me from these entities. Because, I was not able to sleep, and then heavily attacked, so that, physical health issues were increasing. And this was a time wherein I started doing my inner work. So these entities were actually trying to stop me from doing doing the inner work. And also I had several responsibilities when it comes about removal of the curse and healing the generational trauma and breaking the generational toxic patterns. So these entities did not want me to do that. And another reason, only after spiritual awakening, I would get to know the real self of mine. Though I have been aware that I am a powerful person, I have so many kind of, spiritual gifts and spiritual powers. But still, I was about to know who I really am. So they did not want me to experience that, because a lot of activations and a lot of powers were, activated by divine itself, which I saw and experienced after my spiritual awakening. So when I allowed divine, there were divine forces who can fight with these entities and can stop these entities, and then I was able to experience protection. But as I had a lot of patterns in my life, which allows these dark entities, in our life. So I was protected, but then I realized also when I was again fighting with these entities. So it's been a month time. I was so pissed off. They are attacking day by day. Every time I'm not able to sleep, and one day they hanged me, opposite. So I was actually angry. The moment I thought, no, I will fight with them now, and there I actually experienced divine oneness. So divine oneness was such a great experience, because of which maybe I was able to do my inner work without fear. So the moment I experienced, this divine oneness, divine told me, whichever thing you have experienced now, still you will have to take care of your body, physical body, because body has limitations, and there are habits, which allows you to enter these negative entities in your life. So there I started doing deep inner work. How can I completely stop them? How can I completely stop their access in my life? Also, when I was going through black magic, in those 10 years of time, that time I, experienced several times whenever I have cooked food and I want to eat, because I love cooking. So they were tying my hands in a way that my body used to get freezed, and it will remain freezed until I say, no, I do not want to eat food. So this I used to experiment several times. Maybe I am, overthinking that my body is freezed. No, this was reality. So they have always been trying to stop me from not eating healthy food, and also starts creating cravings. So I started experiencing heavily sort of a craving in my life only after spiritual awakening. Before this I never experienced what cravings are. So I realized these things were intentionally created by these dark entities. So while doing the inner work, you will have to make a lot of changes in your habits, especially in your food. You will have to start eating healthy food only. Otherwise, you will not be able to do this inner work, because you will be definitely stopped by these entities, and they may not attack you directly, but they will start creating toxic negative patterns. Maybe they make you want to eat maybe heavy fried foods, or toxic foods, which is not good for your health. So because of going through black magic experiences, my body was already extremely damaged, and also because of those 2 heart attacks. So body was already weak when I went through spiritual awakening. Now these entities wanted to damage one of the body organ, so that my entire focus goes on that maybe going to the medical or for the medical treatments and eating medicines, so that I do not focus on my inner work. So I realized that, and now as I had to change a lot of eating habits, so I made my physical body priority, because I knew if I do not take care of my physical body, I will not be able to do anything. And also my soul mission was already revealed to me by that time. So it was really an important thing for me, and there were several things which I had to take care and had to remove, so that I can stop these accesses of these entities in my life. Another thing I realized, till the time you are connected to toxic, negative, people, energy vampires in your life, that time also you are having access of these dark entities in your life. So when I realized, I was able to break the communication, the physical contact with these negative people in my life, but then somehow they were energetically connected to me, as my energies are addictive. People cannot forget me, and they're always obsessed. So that was actually bothering me. Since there I started putting blockages on these people. So I had to do a lot of deep energy cleansing work, and also had to put energetic blocks on these people who were negative, who were removed from my life physically, but then were energetically connected. So I was still going through these attacks wherein divine forces were keep on entering into my life, because see, there are bigger reasons that I was heavily attacked, because see, as they knew, false hope do not work on me, and I am not part of 3D matrix. So the secret about this twin flame journey will definitely get unfolded, and this actually got unfolded after 3.5 years of my life, after my spiritual awakening. So I have been kept on doing my inner work, though I was stopped several times, but I used to take small breaks and then I start again. So apart from twin flames, who have been their a target, and there were several things which got revealed to me about humanity, what sort of games and tactics they have played to keep the humanity stuck in lower vibrational energies. So they knew I will be speaking up now, and once I start revealing, it will actually help humanity. So they did not want me to do that. That was the reason they kept on attacking me. So yes, one after another, I started getting access of divine entities in my life who were fighting with these entities, because they were also coming back to back. So I actually stay in Z plus security of these divine entities. Otherwise I cannot sleep. I was not able to sleep. I left sleeping, I stopped sleeping during my childhood because of these entities attack. And after my spiritual awakening, there were several other things which were supposed to be guided to me through dreams only, and I was taking care of those guidance, and I was continuously doing healing in my life. So they were not letting me to sleep, and that is the reason I stay under the protection of these divine entities, and then only I can sleep. Also, when my this twin flame journey was about to be unfolded after 3.5 years, so by that time I started receiving some entities who are dark, but they're not evil. So they are also to protect you. By now what was happening, I was able to see them. So I said, and see, when I'm sleeping, they are actually above me just to protect me. So I said, like, if I'm able to see you, what if I open my eyes all of a sudden during midnight, and then I get scared, and what if I get third heart attack? So please do not be visible to me. So they hear me a lot, and they listen to me a lot. So they listened and understood my concern. They started making themselves invisible, but I can feel their presence. So during sleep time, I'm heavily protected by these entities who are dark, but then they are for the protection. So I will keep on maybe sharing my experiences in upcoming videos. So because of one particular incident in my life after my spiritual awakening, which I was doing inner work, healing only. So since then I actually respect this spirit world a lot, and I show gratitude at least once I wake up in the morning and before going to the bed. So I always pray and show gratitude to these entities morning and evening, and this is what I suggest every twin flame start practicing gratitude, and always do prayer and protection, ask for protection from divine entities and from divine after when you are going to the bed, so that you are not being attacked after sleeping. So I actually need to be protected a lot while sleeping, because if you are being attacked while sleeping, you will again fall sick, and you will have some sort of pain in your physical body. And it is so important for you to stay healthy, especially physically, and also should not have any kind of stress in case you want to do your inner work. Though there will be a lot of challenges, as I've already talked about it, inner work is never going to be easy. So as I kept on doing deep inner cleansing and energy healing in my body, and that too on all level, still these dark evil entities attack only got stopped after 3.5 years, when I was about to get to know the real mystery of this twin flame journey. So that I will share at the end only. So keep listening these videos. Each video is important for a real twin flame, so that every mental fog gets clear, and I will keep on teaching whatever things are needed and required when it comes about inner work. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.